aneno adi juma no mene aye 22nd November Sunday ene onipa inspirational person aneno ebedi juma no say ye call commercial break ba me boni din ama invite no ama naba na ene di juma ehwe ya promote ye nua no se na be ya no to de sine ni so no botimi aye ama aye kama Ghana no na obi bo nyomo a na so bi peso utwa nyomo a akọ Ghana na okotwa no nyom Ghana ye promote no ene ya adwene se abrochiri ha o se ye promote ye youth no aso ye tubi etumi ma o mo so no akwanya ama o mo tutimi ko o mo anim enye se da bia ye ma no be ko Ghana da bia ye ma me no be ko Ghana obi utwa nyomo obi be ye star je se Ghana no kokọ ye star ene odi aba no that se your stars for her yeso ebetimi ahwe o mo ne ya promote o mo ama o mo so etumi akosoro acha Ghana sanse abrochiri on ade okọ woni mu a okontem se Ghana for kra so o mutimi ko onim kontem a ti se wa wo Europe ha ti no Jesus aduma yeso gospel TV ya dia to ye ho so aka de ye ho se obi a wo ye bibi e sombo ye different ye motivational ye bia no ye betra se ye betimi a promote ama wo so na watimi ko oni bia no na ne ye nua bi e friend K lover ebedi djuma ene na ya hwe na ye na atoto na no ne ye hunu ba bi ofri ni ba bi a wa beduro ni ba bi o peso koduro na ye nyina so ye de atu ye ho fo na de o peso sua no ono so timi sua no na ye hunu ba bi ono so no ba bi o so sua free ya ama o de beduro pepe so yi enti me nkasa ma na nche ye betwa ye ho aba na ye ba ya fre K lover na ye no edi djuma no me ya be djuma di ho chia me ye fre me chairman Bosafo Bawa inspirational personalities abroad program and then me na wo mi no ye waso no ye kai ho ya ba stay tuned
Vivavi Guest House me da dwodwome ho
ya da dwodwe ho e wo Vivavi Guest House Vivavi Guest House one and the only send them back can Vivavi Guest House no okọ ho na say ya ma o discounter be se bra me ya me di usika be mo ye nua na nantwi wo Ghana kwara so ono na se sei na da Roma obi ni Vivavi se ni Vivavi abrochirefo a ye wo Kumasi a okọ na oye bibia na akọ ni Vivavi okọ a ye be hwe ye be ma wa ye bibia kama bibia obeda ye be ye special ye be serve special na ye wi a sama discount account na ompe we na opede ye biko Kumasi ana se oye bi wa Asante ready na opese wabusuafo no bi ope bibia ma omu ada friend Vivavi now say o True Gospel TV and one or the discount be ma na what me ama special reception ama so weni abeje weni age hon papa nti me nua no mo se wutie mi a Vivavi Guest House wo Asante region be bia okọ Asante region be bia na so pe be bia da ko ho the best service so kama na sama discount aka ho me kama no kwatri se se na mu hu me no mane me ne openi a otime sai me otime nsa ho yi e fra no memo no abodidin na wada no ho adi le hunu nipa ban a wo ye se na be di ka aka no ene ono na sa openi ne no e be di djuma no bebo ne di aka ba bia o free ba bia o tie ba bia o sha ase free ye and ba bia obeduro ene ba bia o pese oko se na be di ka aka no so no me a be di djuma di ho chia me e fra me chairman Bosafo Bawa enti me nua otime che akwaba bia boko de pacho ya ma okasa no enko so se na be ya amafo bete nka na ya ma woni so enhwe afidi nim se na be ya amafo be hunu se ona okasa no opani yo de se na madika aka no akwaba haye Gospel TV program ane ye no USW a friend inspirational personality abroad inspirational personalities abroad somebody can achich them edada ansana oba obi a obe inspire nipa bia no e wa abrochiri ha no e be ma akonya na wo so no ya identify se na be ya at least amafo chi betumi ahwe so esua wo ya pacho ansana ye be konam se ye be kan me ma akonya na wabodin ye ka se ya bodin na fe udin no mu nchemu ne ade yatimi ehunu pacho udin Yedikai.
Pacho friend Benjamin J. Oponyamiche.
Benjamin J. Oponyamiche.
My artist name no so K Lover.
Your artist name ni K Lover. Okay. Kasa no de ya ma kasa no. Emra so kakra pacho. K Lover no na che se Oponyamiche na K Lover de K Lover no refri henfa.
Kenny king and you know love and also say lover and this that's a king of love.
King of love. And then king lover. Oh, okay. That is fine. And I'll be more anthropo. Quite enough to be more anthropo.
Yes, started every Ghana. Say Ulmai every Mukakra. Bra na a person a young woman. And you to one day started could be a friend a manson as a Manzia West. Now, your Maquine Sana, now your papa, vacation on minimum Babako. Now, by fire, no, the echo, on the horn or grass, no, a queer form penny for me. Or horn till by fire. A vacation, now a could vacation on tea. One time you over fire coy, to over fire coil. Now, or your queer form penny for the mintin, on say queer for no more. Reduce be a dema home. Sa redu ni atwe no musanyo minimi se penifo ne munyi na proud ne taichiri sa enti se eduru se ebobo 6 mpapa bi owo pia wo so obafi e bi owo pia na wo so obafi e ba behwe oba bi ti news
okay
nti obafi sa na me no ofre ba kosi kochim radio no fatu hase na makọ no makochim nti se michim radio no a omo beka especially sa ai foreign news no ai amano no nsem no enam papa ya opetie pa na se edu so ba ye ba be ya omo dikan bo papa bi no fe ni nese akosi ampofoje na ne nwomo no aya no muta abo no na mitie nwomo no ye baby ya baby epo na baby anyu yo yenye de yetie ye haya eye mayane ya baby ya ne ha epo na baby anyu yo yenye de yetie ye haya eye mayane ya
ye say yenye de yetie
ya
baby ya yetie bia yenye ni ya so faso yenye ya ni eye mayane
ya enti otu sa na me de news ndi mintie o enwom na papa ne beto no ko na me de mitie ti da bia sa anti one day papa pia bonten obaye no na che say radio no ma tutu radio no kra ma tutu radio no obaro bi sam sa ko si na de na msa me pese bu papa na wo to nwom no
oh radio no
yeah me pese bu papa na wo to nwom
that's interesting
because na me class 4 na me sha ti na me madwene won se na adwene mu che da mi papa no there be radio ne papa dey won share radio no musa recording those days usa recording kra won mad kro was there be recording nyom no ye dey ama yi nti no papa won share radio no me no me nti ase no so okay into the radio no kokoma repair bi so repair into wo koye no won tumi anya because speakers ni wires nyina matiti ni nyina mu me pese mu papa to ye won tumi anya na o ka se sa re te de obesa akoto machine fufo no sa akoto penyimfo de mu de mbu tradent sa machine bi na ba he no eni oto eni ni cassette sa akosi because o mu se me pa ko sempo fo ji nyum eni oto eni ni cassette
ene se me ntwa no akosi sempo fo ji ni o motivator ono motivate you
motivate me
no role model me you role model is here too
me pa cho me kan ba no so me kan me role model no oto so second no so aka
okay ene ba ko ni ampo fo ji
me pa cho ba ko ni ampo fo ji ono me dey start nyum
okay before you go on with the second one no ampo fo ji say wonim say ne ba bi wa
last time share no ha say betment me no ani sa wo so Martin nka so wa ase
oh my friend no ne ne di go no wa say ne papa so dwumadi a ne papa di ye no so no so abamfa so mo bi ahwe no so asua no ono mo kura so wantumi amonyemo is very be approach anyway ye baby sa no so di try wantumi amonyemo no ye be my friend no na edi nkomo okay continue second role model no ye ho ya
entino de kwa yen papa koto trident ne ba sa no oto akosempo foji cassette no ne bibia de kan ho enti ade ana ebo amekese pa no say those days no so me album ne ba sa na say na o me album paper bi sha chiri enti o mo twere say we ne po guitar and we ne bo we no we say we ne ye vocalist we ne ye say enti me hwe nimu no ali baba first na o kan ho those days na ye kuma pem warriors kuma pem band enti no ali baba first na o kan ho because amachi dide no no so kan ho enti omo de minimi say omo free kosempo foje won bai enti wode bai radio no esi wo da bia na ye bo ne enti one time bi no papa pie wansa amantem o bai cassette ndi na ma tutu cassette ni nya se me pese mi hu papa no no was it no yanya ne papa no de ono ofie na nwom no ya record agu cassette no so ye bo enti because of me minti no radio no ye boy bi sa na edi si so say the be ya me no so ndi dey inspire me papa ne say o say papa no nwom oto a oto a duru be o say Ghana man ene da wono o man kan mom ni siesie ye men ye betima ye mamu aye de nyatenam anya setena pa obi ya bre no ho asiesie ba bi ya opeyie na wuja wode ho akopa ba bi ya ewo ya atena eni e bafo ubeja wade hisam ewo fie na ba obi ara kurom aho no wotimi di na hisam ho ba bi foforo de obekiraw ama wahum se wonsa chi ba ya odade ne mum sa enti sa wonsa yem otoa na oduru ba bi a wo se wo ka se se uko asantema mu a wodi hye kasa de nsasi ni bu na ukoko duru sire mu nso a wonum so wadi hye egu ho na wo ya asante de hye wakoduru sire mu kokyere wasante sam ho kojiji wani mu na hwe na bo nse kuma se nya borega obiara di ni ho so obiara ya die ope woni kurom sa wo yo de hye a fako akura asiko ye hoye mpapa ti se me to sanyo what in one Mr. A na kan
That's interesting.
Mr. A na kan was sanete dia papa memu hunu bet also kusku because one kusku was papa no menim say wachira de pen was that's why cat kiss pen entino say nipa no say kusku on san what me akogu say nipa but unfortunately me we school na papa so free madam we school ana wo free mitinema bebri baba ye basa oh my brother kakra.
Yeah. Okay. That is a question for Jane. Yeah, the second person apart from a question for Jane now say,
hey, Daddy Lumba.
Daddy Lumba, yeah.
Daddy Lumba.
No, so then after from Pofo to Daddy Lumba, I didn't also who free. And by Daddy Lumba, who am I also beat me by you.
Ekoba say, also medical say, a live about foster from Pofo Jona by, who free, I'm actually do so from Pofo Jona by, or Mono, easy mammy, send me to me too. But na mi pobia menkaso enye you but almost only mudaho
yeah
mi pobia no nyumo very difficult ah but that number say na nyum bebre on ipentimento
yeah
physicians be be ko entimento mo very difficult so but no entimi hwehwe ya na je say that lumba and was say mi follow no also mi follow no so abo am na nyum bi ho no mo a very difficult and abo am ama mitimi to mitimi de mi ye ne
ya ti Daddy Lumba no mo betimi abo acapella da bi no mitimi acapella sisi ya mai
mitimi ato nyum ne bi
ta
mitimi ato nyum ne bi
to ba ko mai acapella mi yade
o say nyum we say nyum no doso mi hu de memfa
de bia mo de obetimi afa bia short acapella be 2-3 minutes pe
mi hu de
ya yo no because
producer mambi
nyum no
nyum ni bi nyum ni bi wo hono o say de
okay before then
ni daso ho be daso ho mo bia enne boa me
okay
yeah ehia wanwo mini aba ehia wanwo katachie obi afo me dia nto no fu se adeden fichire poti mi be ye ni pawati odi aso be ye ni daso ho mo bia nenyu no doso
ya da se ani daso ho mo bia
enne inspire me amitimi gina se de na me to nyumi
hold on let us say tiefo ni ahefo ye kelo va ye ka che ni se ba bia wutie bia ni daso ho mo se ne o kan se ne Lumba kan no de wutie bia no ani daso e wo ho ema wo se ne Diaspora TV so ya boy ya pom se ye beboa ama wo bia da ye so abamu no wote wo ye mu hu abofia ye opese wo ye bia no ma ye sonte na ye hunu ko e be fa so e betumi so aboa ama wo so wo da ye so abamu se ne ono ne da ye so no e nam ye so ma e bamu no ani daso wo ma wo bia unwi na atiase nko ade a ye opese wo ye bia no ni daso e wo ho ma ye so no wo abruchi hanko ade a e be hwede e betumi aye e de aboa ama wo da ye so abamu benia koso
nti sana ekoko ye na je se enema bibri ba be ye basa o mabrabum ti mi free krom honom fi mi krom ho me maame ni din e de akoso ye cha e na papa so efe no opani akosi nyamche won de we free may so rest in peace
na ofi kro be so
me fa chimi fra chuma ne be
atuma ne be hi afari ne behi
me pa chwan
eh on to cruise no gu ha pa o
say ho na Jessica pa wo so
ho na Jessica pa so free
peace pa chwan
ho na me hu say atuma ne behi afari ho na ma bia na ne ye rasta ho no free
okay
kwasi usu so no aboden ba ko pa one top ono so ho no free me ama boden on de o say aboden me ama kwasi usu aboden ono so ho no free what is say o ha dwe mantem ha so be nde menu ya no aboden enso matem akwasi usu so te menka onu ya ne behi ase ne behi fo se de ne behi afo abalem light se ne behi fo de ko ndi akwasi usu yiro ho na betwa onwom na memwa na so betwa regio so betwa ayo ya oni na yiro ho na beso memwa na akwasi usu abalem light me manu kwachi o se na onwom no ze nyom si do se na watimi atwa
so far no ya ma ya miensa but ye wonwum bebre wo ho no mo a nam kwan so ai ba no no bebre we were more than 77 songs
more than 77 songs really
me patron bebre producer crowd only 77 songs so my high life enye sometimes they say high life sometimes we say afro pop but maybe the any high life song those days na ye fence boga high life and that is what I'm doing and no see me
boga high life
me patch boga high life once those days and for Jesus I be so say reggae type that lumba so yeah not reggae type no the English afra I mean you no sana see it
yes
patch one sana me you
any say they never hear for movie any o
yeah
and mode ko high level
ye ko high level
mode ni agro
hey nipa ni abre
oh that is good and the only no obetimi ama ba ko acapella ansa na mama producer e de ba ko abo ama ya hwe na afi ya sha na ato nkomodi no so ai producer you ready na am say o ma ya acapella ba ko e wi a o de na nyum no ba ko ato so na ya hunu na afi no ya ko enim
osisema ko hwam so hwa ya ne mfama ko dwane so nya hwio enkrama wo fia yemfam pontin ko wramo mesimi dofo a menini tie ya mesi wo ya special efini suru besi fom mesi baby ara bomme si baby ara hihye ho me dofo do ye full loaded do odo ye we mesi uja me ame poti wati ye tuduru baby a ya kase esu kitwa be famedie akwesi nkesu kesi enfame preku be fade
ya ha mama me pa cho ya ha mama na wasem bi ya o kan se enkrama ofia yamfa apochu gowre na be so say
oh je tell say bidika ka say se makuhwam so ho a yamfa makodwa na nya hwe
makuhwam ho a
yamfa makodwa na nya hwe echiremu kakra wo mu
chiremu ho de me pesa me chiri o pesa chiri
yeah je tell say me papa mo ne me nana no ma me na try kakra ansa na me fro mu nche enti me sua ne me be fro mu ho no
okay
on say tete no se makuba minim se ne omo ye de ya makuba pa on se mpanyimfo no mo ma hata bi wo ko mti gu ayi ja no soro sa na dry aye den because omo se mako ne betwam enyina ho da bia enti ba sa na se mako no ekwa no mu yusu mako ayi no mako dwane no enti se mako no sa babaka no mako dwane na gogo no mo jai no mu di mako mo no enti wana ekọ Ghana sabi o ai ship si wono no akwa for ai plane si wono no akwa for ship ship be 3 weeks wo kwa we so be bia just 8 hours wo duru into obi ape be bia ade aye ready made obi ape enti sana ase kire na anwutu ni bisu kan se ai samousu wo se sabanchi ni ho ane de nkanfo freduane na bro wa akoko di mfote ese asomrofie na adwoa mo kran me nya da prewu nya na nya ne won kire se masai what dey say say krama ofia ya ponche de obede owura mu ontimi nya hwe ti da bia krama na edini ko owura me pa chon sana anyuma na se kire
I see producer meso maya na nyum no ba na yenwie ni wi a ya try comedy na amanfo no ne nyum no ne video no se ne esiko na o ma ya interested na afi no ya try comedy no so na de ya bi nkomo pa mo amutie ye na mo hwe ya sana producer de nyum no be ba no me am be djumadi chiame from chairman of Bosa Fubewa inspirational personalities abroad and the djumadi a ye wo so ne Gaspora TV and a show at the actual mono a program a ye sha se am say last week ye next and ya bra sa program na say yene openia or TK lover, and also a musician. Stanley Abra was a footballer, former Blaster Kotoko player, and our opinion, so no, a musician. I don't also know. Next week, so they were the idea to us at least, near the solution one, so after me, any new mix. Now, be next year, no, from January going, send a medical can. The bay we 1 hour, near we 1 hour on Sundays, no. We 1 hour, we 1 hour. He say no, dear, a frafra, crack of me say, a fee, ever call every year, now, you know. Yede ni nyina no inspiration as no say omu dawson omu ala no be footballers a lot, boxers a lot. So makase on the 27th so no 27th of December and so no your data yene one and only Ghanaian and Belgian professional ex-boxer Sugar Jackson on the 27th of December on no a year program inspirational personalities to her na yede beto Facebook within the China and Asset Church, the better Facebook, and will be here on 2017. More about and more betty Sugar Jackson. Now, the question will be to me, Abisa. Producers, so, my penny, no, anchor, na, into us, into a comedy.
Yes, man. Sheriff, get that once again. There is no justice, freedom, and equality. I'm instrumental to your success, but today I am the victim. But today I am the enemy. Sometimes your best friend can be your worst enemy, and your worst enemy can be your best friend.
Friends today, enemies tomorrow. Friends today, enemies tomorrow. Friends today, enemies tomorrow. Friends today.
Sheriff, get now once again. Sing it now. Oh no, yeah. Oh yo. Yeah.
Friends today, enemies tomorrow. That is really, really, really true. And then you go for people every Ghana Bible children. Who you know what done or tamful. You go for a damful. Say you near, say your back, say your dear, baby now you are done what tamful. Friends, and then oh yeah, madam. Echina na adane batamfo. Awa bonyom no aye kama. Ye ready ni bibia na nwom we no awo ye no ye Ghana na say hemfo de ma wo. Kwa be na afa so a otimi ye saa nwom no wa bra oti abruchiri ha. Say wa abra oti abruchiri ha. Kwa be na afa so.
Ame say mbenyufo say obi bi ni abokoku akotrofo enka so.
Ya ma okasa no enko kakra na atiefo no entie.
Me pa chore kwa ni say miti Gaspora TV Solution Hour one time. Timiti na chese
Utie Gaspora TV Solution Hour.
Me pa chore miti
Wow.
Timiti na chese chairman na mtisa wo kasa. Say o si solution more solution for everything. So we person ye bibi di jumedi we person ye bia betime enti me fa number no na me frɛ enti me frɛ na chairman wo fae na bisam say ma no asem say aje didi nkomo na say me de masam to woni me say me pesa me ye nwom bet ma ya producers me nya bi the fence say record label me nya bi engineer obeye me nwom ma me ne ade ti o ye no so solution award ye solution for everything ti no de me number bi ma on to de fresh number no fra nipa no obeye okama obeye onwuma man but na madwin mu na mfisi bia enye no kora because na chini my friend won mi say my course bebre akogana kuruma nyina even nipa pa koma ebu ni din a oya ade pa nyumtufo ma friend bebre but ufre na nipa no ote oyi fence program out there ba o mefro anu anu friend bi but Kufinti oye very good guy. Me wo dwumom na my wife a friend me say wenya ohun say Kufinti ye interview ye so na what number to do say obi person wo friend na ti my wife the number na ma me friend na me wo dwumom me friend direct line ti me friend direct no say oh me nua asem na wo kan wo de je WhatsApp number na friend ti me friend no ena ye need didn't go man but na is a COVID-19 no time no ntimi ambam no ka chem so me de me nyanto boase enti me ya na me say me frɛ chairman said the make me frɛ wo and I watch them say me mra Tiger hono obit my as a matter of fact me ba ya no Tiger we brutal just say ni bi bia ne nan kura o de be ya de no kura no chairman utimi we brutal me say the musician no musicians na beti mas so you musician pa so be ya nwom a na so wo ne nchen a oh Ghana good but one thing about Tiger me ba ya no obisa me se me nwom we na me de kire no was ko reboot na to me to nwom one time was it start to be na ma was start to do to you I'm say bra you are person some chara ti me to be no was bra talent you mahu se wo talent kese pa wo mu pa but
Kata no ko.
talent mahu se wo adoma chede no wo mu a obetimi de aye nwom enyi sika na sebe meje sika we dey say bet me pesa me boa e ma wo group level bi as a matter of fact me ba the say enwom ni wonyum bebro but enwom ni first flow sa cause owo ono so adoma chede no
talent no yeah
omo ya ifo ya me kan so me engineer so omo ye obi a ase directors or bed directors say you say because anyone matchere anyone dey maye bibia kama beto ba chorus ni say bi wa ba yemfa we nkwa ye na ne we nkwa ase anyone ne bi ka ho ye nyi we mfiri yemfa we enyi say anyone dey obetwere bet be da seda ma Tiger na me da seda ma gas
anyone tomorrow the ni nyina no Tiger no na chese otimi compile ni nyina chese ye
me twere nyum no ba o say chorus no say chorus ne bi ka ho
yes
sa part we enyi yemfa we nkwa sha ase na enyi si ana ono so no on fana ni pemu nya de obekire o se minua sei na o se nwom ne o hihye nwom no kro obefro ama oba studio asi bra mien hihye nwom no wa yesi o yesi na wo hwe na se good a ono so beka twa se good na je se bibia e koso wawa nti no so far so good me wonwum bebre ho no kra wonim sa nwom ya me kan se bebre no wonim ni nyina a je se e be ye ho adwuma ne nti Tiger so me ya sere mama Tiger na se da piece nso akwa ma chema what he has say Tiger no need no yet sometimes no beat Tiger na ya no fi be a Tiger who run better and thank you God always which is Tiger
Tiger na say channel
thank you God always TYGA that is thank you God always nti saa na ase but most of the times no obi ti aya na office be tiger but enye tiger ewura me ba cho saa na
see ete ono no try bo awo ma enyum no wabeduru ba bi a wadroi through Gaspora TV right nti which means obi person oye bi a contact Gaspora TV a ebi a yetu ebetimi abo no eti for say na yemi nua no kano no friends today enemies tomorrow maybe some kwan be fa so menya bi say na ye kan ye we are there to help because Gaspora TV transi hunu say ade na ye tia brochiri ha ye will be bia or have better than Africans ye tia na person ye bibia je say okọ Ghana ansa na wetimi aya ama wotwene ho a wonte ase wobetwa video wobeye de yen obi beto nwom obi beye bibia no je say okọ Ghana why Ghana ade papa be na wo Ghana ho sen ya brochiri ha ye wo all ye wo possibilities bebrebe ye wo nyema bebrebe technology wise e de ben na ye ni wa ha so na nipa na okọ Ghana okwa na ye no up and down ko haba ha na Ghana for bono up and down bohunu na time aso na ye jo brave na ye say no ye de na asifom ene o abrochiri ha ba bia wo bia wo America wo here you don't need to come here o de opasa o ye nwom a eni eni nkita ho e ko ya befa so wo America kro betimi aboa ma wo nwom na timi ye sosofo ye babo wa enya nwom nko whatever you want to do let us know ye wo contacts bebrebe eso abrochiri ha enya Ghana e wo abrochiri ha pa ai ko ya befa so betimi aboa obi ya na betimi aboa e ma so successful na ye na ye ti abrochiri anso ye so ye moa na obi free house o ba ye timi apagya no ama na kọ nanim na wososo no wa wososo wo pagya obi no na wososo wo de ba ya so yatumi apagya na yatumi akọ enim ye nya ase bibia na Ghana ade papa bia ni Ghana nche abrochiri ye believe no and we know and it's a fact ade papa bia ni Ghana nche abrochiri nti wo abrochiri na wantumi ameki a okọ Ghana anya de abetumi ameki easily no because our system ni bibia is different the how ba na higher more advanced wantumi anya forget it. We are here, see a best support. Wo ha bia o pesa wudi dwuma bia no a ye fi say ye betimi aboa nko ade a ye be ma ye be kire wo ko abefa so a wo be ya so betimi a ye successful. Everything is possible. Your pesa wo ye bia is possible, especially abrochiri is possible. So ye wadun so obesua na abeko wani nko ade a akonya no ho. If worse you can go to school. Now if you have talent na ba ha betimi a cho so talent na wo no bia ko school kakra ka ho ko school kakra ka ho a ye betimi aboa ma wako wani waza wo ye nwom no kakra na wako school bi a 3 months 6 months e wo ho eka ho e betimi aboa ma wo so wako wani mu atwa nwom aye what at least so ntimi sramo we are there to support each and everyone it is so wo ye wadwen se obeye bibi na wo nya aboa fo se na emenu ye sie no twetwede okọ ha na oba ha na afi mi hu no na se why frustrated why desperate say no menu this is what I can do to help you enene odeti ha no mo a obo friends today enemies tomorrow really anyum no manage ho pa friends today enemies now nyum no kwasi maybe say oni nyina no eye brofo nyum ana say
say Makambogo her life no say those days na na champion mo ne chasamu mo ne daddy lumba mo onso mo ani G-man omu nyina onso mo bo nyum no aboga her life no mo di egbofu kakra afra no mo di yi kakra fa life music omu di frafra sa na me di aniti pepepe
nti wonyum a wotware nyina no ebia frafra
me wo
sebse we di topic ni friends to the enemies to
yeah
ebi to topic ni etwi
ebi so topic ni etwi me wo shemebo me wo sansankroma me wo
shemebo sansankroma
me wo shemebo sansankroma me wo no me dos me dangerous I say na emanye me doma bibi
ema de obodo mo pa ma de ma hu se na ma hu no se na me se hu o picture no
mo makuma no se wa hase
akuma to so oh okay ejino ye hwe wo de ye kwaso ni ni nkomo be duru ba bia be ma first some video no so a wo de ba video clip ahwe because ma hu se ma de odoma ope ma pa
me doma bet me
odoma o be ma de se be me sa odoma
me doma bet me pema enyo title wa kro
ma ti ane odoma no
ene ma me nyu mother's day am de be yama
na be yama ma enti enu horo na bibia ya kama oh okay that is interesting me ni ana mo say Kelova ene no etwe enkomo no ono na ote antop ha ena wabo saa enyumuyi the first record label a ode abano no company be na bo a o label no record label you know ayi
A creative record label. Into brackets Tiger. That is Tiger. Thank God always. Creative record label.
creative record label.
Label. Into brackets
Into
Tiger.
bracket Tiger.
Thank God always.
Okay, thank God. Okay, that's the meaning of Tiger. No? Okay. It's your money over. Okay, that is fine. Me manon kwechi. Send a yakika kono. Really. Friends today and me tomorrow no push me mom. My imagine say kwa bia me fa so no. Kwa bia na me fa so amenya bi. When no asakra na ato aso. Kwa bia na me fa so amenya bi ankasa.
Social media offer K-Lava music obetime nya no YouTube.
Obetime nya no YouTube.
Me patch ma ko K-Lava music na the full package na to us. Na say friends today enemies tomorrow. O de to aso a obenya. Oba mi Facebook so akwasi K-Lava and to be nyame oba
to boss enya rush o say because K-Lava music
patch on the full package na share name
stroke wo
na patch stroke bi no and one say
K-Lava music the full package as name patch your full package
full package because me other video na about this year and on the title of the song here full package. The other music I hear with the video, no. That and the full package. Hey, yes, what packaging in full. The Quabiana baby, full loaded. Hey, any easy. Okay, that is interesting. Any young corner. This so far, no, and you do send what you make. If I show my means. Why means, any ever bomb and selling in Anzana Wako. Okay, you bomb and selling at you for Italian medical can kill over any no Eddie Jumedino. You may try a waba, you try a hoba, get the numeral tossing you know, ever ba, and sand up, you know, made number a 2 jar, Nafe, a chief for so, more to me after album, will be a walk question be, will be a wobby be a beca, bona basso, will be a wobby be a beca, abo, I crying, whatever everybody want to say, no. That is a much so more afraid, no more bob. And she might try home, Emra. I'm say, don't hear me, no pray, let the engine. Yaba, send a medical canoe. Mia, we did my dear chairman, your friend chairman, was a inspirational personalities abroad, programmer, and inspirational personality. Will our inspirational personality, we are motivational person. We will be which me I am role model. Ama you to know, Anana Amo Nipe Biano. My antonka near her quay before yes, so yet be you wedi. Ama and Quadana say, Nipa, especially a Ghanaian society, no. Yet me a show, the yes, yet me up him, acquainting in any programmer. Yena, see, you better rock or so from next year, from January, yen butu, baby, I should be an obia inspirational person, piano. The Befro, Emma Swaba, you win edgy. That the Chaya, the Atumuni say, Yenny for end of the year, no. Now, Yenia, no, I hear Gaspora TV viewers, no, any year to shoot the mummy and son. First, second, third, no. Omo America, Omo, you will be back to Omo Belgium, Yaya award, now, yet, Amo special award. That is Inspirational Figures Award. There, the amount of monsters, yet the amount at the end of the year. I have 4 near TV for Mama Quaba Bio about Gaspora TV. So I'm saying, K-Lava, and then you know, Eddie you my dear friend, inspirational personalities abroad. You know, Eddie K-Lava, Eddie, no, and there. Mama, son, I ever cost so the number of Betuga, Ama, the corner, the corner, Mamma, Omo, I know, Moody program, no crack. Now, more for who's almost at least. Omo, about Omni was yes, sir. More recognition, just in cancer. Oh, me, I'm a Aquaba about program you so. Google Mensa, I'm here, boss. With a Google Mensa, okay. Mark Amo, also hi, and also Emmanuel Boatin, also Setanson, and just also, hey, opening, get you on catch it. I hope to be a come at here. Chama minimum pa. And Nama and so also Juliet Amaquata. Is it Holland? Friends to the enemies tomorrow. Nice song. Wow. There's a Juliet Amaquata say first tomorrow, enemy tomorrow. Last, oh, Sanyum no dear. I mean, oh, you know the Mediafa.
Mejafa, very nice. Attach me pa. I'm said the idea change so by where you heard the idea change, so no so you heard in the BCI. Watch it, Albert. Watch it, wow. This is a powerful song. Oh, I know near come on, really. Thanks, Chairman. Just in cancer, I'm just made out say. Man watching is watching. I say, get I. Hi, bro. The sky is your limit. That is good. Thank you for your motivational message. So thanks for so born in seven. The enemies tomorrow, no dear. They say, dear, I time for that doors, no. I time for that doors, you know. We'll be any John. Hey, any won't go through. Hey, I time for that doors. From Wakon. And also, Tomaso Fosuhene, as well. Pastor, Benjamin Genial. Okay. Poroche Dako Boatin from UK. And also. We were say Fiadumakon. Also. Yeah, Makunta Tomaso Fosuhene, and also. Akunta Akwaba. George Boachi, and also from Ghana. Yeah. Unianum Yabako Nimbio. Na any kiloba atwa Jumadia Yedi and so. My brand no beswan, but the number number 2 na obi a opesa of free beer and also free. Na the worker the program also no also free because after for memoir you man end and as the end you pay. So the muhu no the echo and the abidru no bro so much me ede aba amon also ashen crying amana to me akonanim. Kiloba. Wabisa your record label. I say what me about actually T for Momo record label. Okay. And your social handles as well.
K-Lava Music. K-Lava Music. Okay, YouTuber K-Lava Music.
Toboasi and not Toboasi. Because you know to move a mouth for any adjun and to Toboasi me pacho. Not church you nutin waha. Toboas church social handles no she won't be on
Oko YouTube about K-Lava Music.
K-Lava Music.
K-Lava Music. Not the full package. I share any.
So not the full package. I share
my full package. And Ubinya friends to the Ubinya full package song. Ubinya yes yes up miss out another song. As is here eba usisia. And also Makuma hold my heart. And also on Oba Facebook so Oba Akwesi K-Lava. And also with me.
Facebook will know there. Facebook will be different. Facebook will be
Akwesi K-Lava and so be nyame hono.
And so be nyame hono.
Oba friends Instagram so and so Akwesi K-Lava and so sa.
Instagram so Akwesi K-Lava. And also also. You be nyane nyina yakwa. You be nyane friends today. Enemies tomorrow.
And say who be so Gaspora TV so omo so be tin ofre omo. Omo so you call YouTube account no Gaspora TV so so on sabeka enyum na about nina.
Oh, that's good. Yeah. That is good. That is you are collaborating with Gaspora TV.
Yeah, Gaspora TV dey so many hono mo asanke ni hono.
Gaspora TV ni wa ka oni ho.
Okay, ni hono because am yeah nana jampon kan wose enema bia enkofu bi betimi aye enenso so no boafo mo anya nti omunya no academy yenhia Gaspora TV kan mi dream
enema kan ye kan kese ma o kasa no brasro kakra o se enema bi o hono mo
wose nyema bia nipa bi mo betimi aye nenso so boafo mo anya nti munim de enum bibia academy
and great sem na modu because bibiri wonyema bi o mpeso mo ye and so be de obenya boafo ti na se boafo ye na no
start ya chepa bet
chance ya che
bet unya obia obeso mu amona
enyom na academy
ache me kura brem nyum nyina ye ho no ma atwere gu ho no me de ba
komo na ye die no na me fa number no entudwa na obi person of friend no so ba mu am say Pastor Joe and so I was so no so 80 na before no am say oya a pebi say bedroom the Bible gospel na
oh me nyum no my be gospel say the maka chiro say
gospel so
me pa chiro say saboga her life say the woman bugo me na champon mo ni lumba mo ni omo de mix it onyim bebre ho no mo eno so gospel
so
me pa chiro I have friends to the enemies to go ya also can say I don't trust anyone so and also I trust only God nti ni nyina so gospel depending on some na wo kan won
okay
and ma nipa no who say
okay that is good. That is good.
No, gospel e fra sa no.
Na makuma no. Obetumi ama makuma no akapela kakra bi na afi wi a producer wabo ni video no ama ya hwe. Makuma no akapela kakra na me hwe.
Missy odokodi odo want you bin fere odo mamie. Akumeisha ni so. Fisa makumati se kusuya mona. Efiri wunsa wunfebiema. Obidobe so mimuye. Ode. Missy odokodi odo want you bin fere odo mamie. Akumeisha ni so. Fisa makumati se mira. Engusomo na nsana ni monyamuti. Mise makumati se mira. Ode makume odo yewe makume shaunso kume makume shaunso odo makume nyina shaunsa inti yente timinyame hai
mate nenia Naku, akosua sina kuma shawonsa o. Nti it's up to you. Akosua kuma shawonsa kwagu. Nti say there, say ote a ene be hifo ene e ka no. O say akosua sina kuma shawonsa. Nti kuta akosua kuma ni ye. Naku, kwasempa. Agonta. Oti ni ye. Nanachi, all the way in Ghana. Nana. Wasumo o. Ode, oyira kuma shawonsa. Nti so akotra Ghana. And as I say, you know, because himself who Ghana, the Vibe guest house, oh, the door, the Vibe guest house director, himself, oh, the door, aye, we are Kumasha on sa, and you know, you got to be a ya cow, then who say, a Kuma Esha was sa. You know, George Bruby, also know, we are Kumasha on sa, portrait. It is also Kutamuye, and then the Eminiano Ekano Hadono. Oh, Kumasha on sa, just a bomb answer. You so no bo the instrumentals ni na na hwe se ne sa anum no so esitie se na menu an kan no nipa bebre ehin aboafo abrochi ha se na wa sha ase se na lumba no sha ase na champion no nyom sha ase o Germany ansa na mo hete sa ade bia ne ho sha ase eya akese ho efrinketo kakra na ni nyina se na odi kan ni do be so mo aboafo na se na ye kan no ye di na bedru sa amre Ibiti ebe nyame be yadom ama Gaspora TV asonomu ade nakọ pepenso a edine beduro wa so bibi wo mu no o ma ye tene o mo bi betim di aboa wa ye so betimi aboa ye de we are here for nkabomu Ghana ni bi owo anisu ade hunu o person the dream da yeso etimi ba mu bia no o ma ya so na ye betumi aboa de a ye be ye de be ya aboa de ye ntumi nso no ye be kire o se menu ya we de bia ya ho den enu ho ye be hu na emom yinim se dodo na de pa aboafo a wo munya Ntino obo Gaspora TV a ye be he se mo ebetim di abo bia no ye betimi a ye be boa me yen kotie makoma ye firi makoma ba afi no e di telephone number na tuja na producer Maru Mfisi ye firi makoma no ba ye mfre ampofo je ba no na ye ni nkomo be 2 minutes asa na manfo afra ba me kom nimse ni pe wo so na manfo aye what dodo na yo madwen so mbe frɛ mo so mfrɛ enkyere mo adwene ana asa do mo so Abeka, intino, producer, Makuma.
Hello, Valentine, Sheriff Kate, I don't know. Yes.
Makume, Shaunso. Makume, Shaunso. Odo Makume, Nina Shausa. Etiente, Timinyami, hi. Odo Makume, Nina Shausa. Kuromise, Gosio. Odo Makume, Nina Shausa. Etiente, Timinyami, hi. Odo Makume, Nina Shausa. Kuromise, Gosio. Odokodi odo want to be fere wanta mami akumensha nizo bisa makuma tise gosia mona efiri wonsa wonfa biema obidobe so mi muye ode misi odokodi odo want to be fere wanta mami akumensha nizo bisa makuma tise nwira enguso manansa na ni munyamunti bisa makuma tise nwira ode Makume, what do you we? Makume, makuma ejawuzo makuma ejawuzo odo makume nyina shawuza etiente tilmenya mi hai odo makume nyina shawuza kura mise kosio odo makume nyina shawuza etiente tilmenya mi hai odo makume nyina shawuza kura mise kosio ubidobe menu beye odo wabo makuma mutio eye na same dwindwindwindwia odo ye wona mi wodi emenya wai said ya wodon sanne na mi wo no do wo fifi manuo eye na same kakaya odo ye wona sema to mi wai kodua na wodam fue odo wo ne me love again. Oh sweetheart, I can never live without you. Empty makume jauzo makume jauzo odo makume nyina jauza etiente tilmenya mi hai odo makume nyina jauza kura mise kosio odo makume nyina jauza etiente tilmenya mi hai odo makume nyina jauza kura mise kosio
akuma nyina shewusen isi odo ye umesra wa shana wanjami wai unimse wachinu mini obia isi odo ye umesra wa shana wanjami wai we are grudging from ebu tina breyina mi yawo amsai we are grudging from ebu tina breyina mi yawo amyade we are bidie we are wudie isi odo ye umenjami we we are bidie we are wudie isi odo ye umenjami we makumenya shewuzo ode shena wanyamisa ena wanti makuma don't say boy makumenya shewuzo ode shena wanyamisa ena wanti makuma yeah sheriff you once again yeah another one
missy other ones ni anako wa hinemwe nsi anya wubanuna odo misi yenchenche adia wupensu na wupe misi anya wa kojiro da wai ode makume jauzo makume jauzo odo makume nyina jauza etiente tilmenya mi hai odo makume nyina jauza kura mise kosio odo makume nyina jauza etiente tilmenya mi hai odo makume nyina jauza kura mise kosio odo makume nyina jauza kura mise kosio odo makume nyina jauza etiente tilmenya mi hai odo makume nyina jauza kura mise
producer ya dawsi odo makuma isha wonsa hey anyum na no odin anyum we ya mi dedicate nyum yi e ma mi nua Francis Bafo apia o Antwerp Merksem na kwaku Francis Bafo apia e da mi dedicate nyum ya ma wo ai so odo makuma isha wonsa enti Francis Bafo apia from Antwerp Merksem ono na mi dedicate nyum yi e de ama mi nua no senyumu yi ontie ni ne ene behifo enyumu omudi ama no se ne ye de akuma akosia akuma ehye minia Francis Bafo apia ensa yehoa ene nkudimdifo obehwe ma akuma no akoto ye ewo se eda minia no se ne yado na so aye ka no such a talent ewo kuro yi mu we dia ne ye abawo bebre wo ho no aye hunu ye ayentiye a omotietiye wan oboafo wo henefa bebre what talent anya nwom nko a ye what talented people who are approaching here youth na ya ba no ye very good but ye bibia akoye chese I don't know chese obie no ye interested obie no ye bibia akoye asori anya asori dey forget it so talent na nya sa obeto nwom wa asori dey mo dey forget it ene dey akoba no why Why? Such a talent was shot in Visa Lumba. I mean, it's the same rhythm like Lumba. Look at this. Look at this. Got talent even say kwa. You to be brave. What my papa would nipa for on the 27th. We see any Sugar Jackson. About the same one-on-one interview with her. As a Ghanaian boxer, a Santinia or buyer, or buy a boxer. Let me say a boxing crowd at Kenya Santi for lie. As we buy a Santinia Quada, buy a boxer, my Belgium, what she were tatter, what she European tatter, a Santinia one young crane, who are boxing the can cram for. And Uncle Enye, will be to sell box or Bob's African shop. And you more what Bob was a crantier, I should Kubasia crantier, and yeah, easy. A bit brave what talents, but here for now, one more to me about out. A BBR, this a Ghana, so the puppy anywhere, chair, Bruchy How. Say your tea any, your money enough for 1 year animal talent, yet me out poor money more. Minianum, and can say ye brave. So, such a beautiful talent into Kakadem. Yeminim say, Unyame, I dream pie, you won't a money pan on Yamibeton Sugusu. Ama, a drew baby. Now that child come may be a unicorn, or be a Timia Bodian Casa Gaspora TV for the chas here, and I might be a metrosono, bedroom baby a midray. Now I couldn't dear, that's your Yacopo and William. Yanoa and a Timinia Sene Macan. So what talent will be up as oh, you know him, one when you be all their fraying. And yes, you come from Mungua. There be beer near bit me a boy, say yes, you come from say, dear, shed your war, you bet me a boy, you bet me a who won't bet me a better, a quite fast right boy in you. That's why Gaspora TV has come to stay. We are serious women business. And go for the year watch it. Any boaphobia, Obiba boa, you know, baby or do fa, as you see a woman, moon sembe brave, or by frustrate, walk around a big Yamanaka. Then I was a banasa. Ye ni mo say ye train you and Antony. Ye near said in Hong Kong, sir. Ye here said near my Frank was so man I got for ye interested. The mum the baboy in Yamana calling him, ye be a kind of dear, and the young was to be interested and consider bay. He's such a beautiful talent. Academy. O boy, send you okay, or catch him in, I'm sure. Don't worry. I heard you met me, my boy. And pa, made me produce a casa or so. Chama, may you meet me be a ampa. Send you one and more work and the next and the BBR producer to me, you be a man. The opposite of Channel, who voice now will pay so better no more. Gaspora TV, you hear? Your baboa, any video in now, you heard the next in your video, and the next song, no, any video in now, true Gaspora TV. And you hear the video, the BBR copy there, baby, a battery. And you know me and you wonderful. Third one, so ever. As I never third one, Minia, or say the role model yampo for J. Trampo for Jebano. Am I? Nah, you know, and drink won't be 2 minutes. And number no, 0032 475 91 2082. Inspirational personalities abroad. Any programmer, Gaspora TV. Wow, we are inspirational person, Biana Wabruchiano. The be here, you would be. I'm a sign. Now, Bruchy half was so I knew more Hano. The Bushia for Union and be now for 4. Yedina, Yahoo, the womb. They have one so amanet to me about how to come. Ama also no, would die soon to me above. Yanona there, Yedi Kilova, our hand. Yeh, seeing you now, Yababo, and young quiet what into me. In Yamon Piebo, more futu, and Emon Cranche. In Yaka Hon, the bit me ama. You die soon. A bit to me abom. Sana will be a wooty beyond so also what I soon biano. There you have said, and why bit him diabo biano. Oh my assorti, they bit to me a bear for Modia. Now I didn't pipe at actually, am I to me, heavy payer. Send a mecano. Yet ample for ye, a boy, and also I'm so on to her. Send your cassette, the role model and the ample for ye, and you don't bet you can come. No, so, yes, dear, no, so, oh, MIA. Opening, good afternoon.
Chama Fanaston.
Upon Bocode.
Yamiti Asidi and said any problem. Namoso.
Ya, Jada, Yamiadum, yes, so Kakra. Send a winning no Yamsa, Obo, the answer. Ada Wadian, a son among for Nipa Okasa.
Oh dear. Midian Casa de Kojubu watching. But who was the average since Tianity in a Kakra sound? The Midian Casa. Obon wo me kurom a me papa ne me maame de to me ne de ye friend Kwadwo Boateng.
Kwadwo Boateng na akwadwo omo aye ni wono si etie wo no ye no kura se papa ne ampofo je.
Me papa pa no me papa ya oni me maame amabonsu. Ye friend maame amabonsu. Ya Ghana de em se ne nyomo abo bebre no. Woti amabonsu ni di wo mu a omumiye no ye omo ba pani ne me.
Wow. Aje se o papa ma o na otoso pani ana se ono ma me ma na o ye pani.
Oni me ma me ma na me ye pani. Me papa o 20.
Wow.
Yeah. O 20. Owu ye no kura me no be ka ho ma ne ye 22. But
na
o se musician for one dey.
No ma. Na do no me say.
Oh, say no dey obi be ka say nya ye no nko an ye ne wo mo ye dey ewo obi wo a obe wa dwene say 7 predia say wu twa fa ho bete be ba na e ba be pie na said the papa city no no o de base wo ne nanye mu anya de obe dey obe ka che o say enyo no a so ati ase enti ya ye doso pa.
Okay. Mr. Boateng, ya ma on yan kasan kwachi. Yam say opani Kelova, o say o papa ni role model. Na o papa so ene ma o timi duru baby a o beduru yi. E de na wo e kama no e ka kire no. Etio.
Ya kakra me kan say enyumre ye MC program ne start e ma betana baby a meetie mi din bet wa ma me wura ho kakra. Ama me wura ho kire say e kwan ya ofa so to me fada nyom no eni ade no me wura ho kakra because unim say me fada wo firi mu kakra. Ama me wura ho because me time bia na me tie me fada nyom na robo me mu because me fada me nyina me fada me fa say me nan cheche pa because me di na cheche ye me to nyom me be jina great actually na me no me ana ne personal driver enti tem bi a mete me fada nyom no ye obitimi ye dey ebe me mu enti me be dra bro chira akora na me nsheda mo me fada nyom te say one day bi wo ha na ma ye dey ma bo me fada nyom be kakara me ka chira ne say nyame nshira no 7 previous me so wa shemani mu nyam because of sebe obi enkase mi yo bibi na mi hia atayi so ate ase wa ma me unu sem papa beri aso di bibi papa bi baaye ntu obi wo baabi obetimi ya ede obetimi ya hia ye meka se nyame nhira no onyere no ho se di osito no nyom ne ade no emze na munyi program ko de to Facebook ni ade a mitie kakara mitie me se di osito no nyom no enti all can say of friend musicians you be amfa na ko finti na paaye no na me hunu say because utie no nyom ne say nye wo wo so no neto abeka se ko finti neto enti de meka akire nse nyame nhira no wonyere no ho because enyom to no ene kora de ye na mafu de ya pa nyom to ye nya ni easy na first no wo ko se sa wo nkrofo afi na akopɛ guitarist wo kopɛ instrumental wo kopɛ we ama mo shi ansa no a record no ene di easy enti me sere no se de wasi a start no won fa na ho odin muram ne be yi ama no ye metimi aka akire na no
Opo yada sabot yada sipa ne ososo no wafutuo ene nkura che sema ode amaye imse obekoso se ode papa ye role model ye de na so wa ha de ode be yenua timi fi se ohia direction bia na obetimi aba wonchan na ososo no mo wa ne ososo no ye obetimi aya abo no bia ososo wa ye wafemo de atimi di abo yada wase
any problem me da mo si bebre so nyame nshira mo
so matiefo ne ahefo emse Sabuati ndi nene edi nkomo no samoa no buti samoa okaye se no kre se oye akosi ampofo je eba ena eno no obo ne ma me so din ekwa ofas no papa na ntiem se oka ni nyina so ama ye nyina yate oka nkura hyehyem so ache ye nua ke lover yakoso edi kanom se me de number na tudwa wa opese ofre no obetimi afre asimu na de opese woka no odo watumi aka achire ke lover amoro nso no watimi afa afutu a oso bode ebe mano ke lover yenkomo no yenkoso na mra ye konkomo no so no na wa opese wo frɛ no sɛ ne medical ka no wo so wobetumi afrɛ na bibia atumi aye kama Kelova they say next song ankasa ye ba ne de
The next song what has is here a full package.
Full package.
Me patch on full package.
You know the total me answer.
Me patch on the total me answer.
Yes.
First time video show me dey ba out.
First time video clip I would ba out no.
Me patch on.
Father Binya.
Say Gaspora and Guana Binya bi so Gaspora TV and Guana Binya.
Gaspora TV.
Me patch on.
YouTube.
Me patch on.
Guana Binya sa video no. Full package no. Of April. I'm say obi abaso yen hwe nipa kro yen tie no de o ma ye pacha odi ni ba bia o kasa free
ampato ya family
Emmanuel de empacha
Emmanuel Boatin em say nini abe ma na ibara Benjamin Pana me fe asem nkran
pacha o kasa free
me kasa free de do ma ya St Nicholas.
Oh okay. They're going.
Me huna ma meniadi na me ni meniadi papa. Nti dia me ka ten na na se ankonko ne no obekọ na me de so me ti ku fi bua ten so se yi bua ten so nka omo nyina ye me nteni for ma di mani nti no me da ma se ni program o ye no baba Benjamin le ga obi anya mi sha the killer avanso na mi sha we bi nti ni na be ma yi ma na ka se ani sha no fa nko ani ya wo kan na ne
ima ya da se Benjamin ya da se ima boa Emmanuel ya da se sa woto so no wa she inua nkran number no da so wa o pese wo free bia no obetumi afre em say your time kakra ema ahwefo ne atifo wa pese wo free she nkran wa pese wo free de wo ewo nyum no ho teni usi hunu nyum no fa the office anko yi de ko yi de ko fe ne ya sha ase di da bia yesua de say Gaspora TV de ya kira de ne yesua de ye nyina na adesua ne nyina yesua no nti ne wa wo nkran sesem wa wo nyum no ho bibi kan say ya papa say nye papa de ohunu no bo bia no matrofo no ya bia atom ubetumi aka na nyina yesua na ohunu mistakes wo mu a o ye the next song na ne no so no or the shame say na be at least nobody is perfect or no one is perfect no so no or perfection no so or the castle economy kakra eno ano na eko kakra I'm say 1,000 kilometers journey it start with a step and it end with a step you know kakra na koko na koko ede odi no munsuo sanete na wonyom no ya na bewu mu pa na die ntina utimi hefa na kofa beni free ya ho na de ba shim na be e ko se free
Beno de most of times me share free mu ntina once na e ka say high life or na won't high life no won't high life the way city tete no uhwe akosiampo for je mu nwum ne ampadu mu nwum oto nwum no atimi say high life no oto wodi ebe shim tina me pe ampo for je ne that the lumba asa o ka asem no
ya ba ka sa no ko show because na me go na ka sa TV je ka sa TV wi asin nyina enti no
ono ne nwum no oyi obi a so moto a omo di baby shem sa enti so di baby shem sa na onso otumika se lumba otumika se osibo besiku so amana bono sesai abebu no tisame ya me hunsi ota me ho de ba yo te ase nse o ka se osibo besiku so amana bono le dia se na mai okay nam ku bisa
osibo besiku so amana bono sesai
ya enti o ka sa ase na me ntia ase ma prisa me ntia ase nam ku bisa papa sa daddy na lumba se osibo besiku so amana bono sa se kire se eno so opa kire se abo ase bono enam nso no we sa ngo pese wo kire enti se meti sa bene sa na me so ma pese mla wana eni lumba de no eye pe what you say enti se me ye nwum bia na se instead so obeka so osibo besiku so amana ma pe different proverb dia she honom na ne me de na fete enti na ma me eye santi bene de minuma me nyina me wo proverbs a me di hihim enne ma wo hu se nipa no wo to ha life song but eneno sebi obi ye ka se ebia sex a enana mafo no kana sex direct obe kan direct sex but sex do bit ma ka se mi kusinanim ba yo ati ase o kan o de fran ntoma kakra ni ye hu se wo to ha life me hu se nipa no wonu masama wo ka but enena life no to a eno an se mi ka se obi nya ade o me opinion na me make o to a wo se fran ntoma mo hu se ade na wo ye no unim de wo ye Intina mama de sa proverbs no eji share me nwum.
Na Ghana obo nwum da.
Me ba jo ma to nwum da.
Wa to nwum
Me
Ghana.
ba jo de ma to nwum da.
Jino kromfo na wona afofo a odi won free omu nyina nim se wo was our talent.
Omunim I remember say Bantama man bi or Mr. Free Far, Bra Free Far, say o US. O ka kire me say ohun mi an o ka kire me say ohun mi an o ka kire me say ohun sa adom mi mu na meto nwum. Penny ampa so last year my wife ma me so free. O free ka kire me so ohun se mi stage kese a meto nwum. Enti me na mfo no mbu ya ye ka so obi nim obi a onimi bia nim se minim to obi a onimi bia nim se because adom no ho no ena nwum nso voice no nso so no me se enwum ya me ye sei enwum bia na se first song ni se me wona a bit ma fa no da beat instead say on se lumba no oye enwum na okọ first verse second verse go third verse go tim ko fourth on sa enwum first na bia 6 minutes it be 4 minutes, and then I'm on phone say 2 minutes and 2:30. And to me, yeah, me and 8. And to me and 8 number studio, if you was in phone in front, the other phone to me another song.
Okay.
And to you be a me one a you home.
You want to backup.
Oh, me producer, you son of a catch.
And yeah, producer what you mayo. Producer what you may. Oh, Yamene boy for Yamene Hene. I'm say, Yeni aba yeni idejus in cancer so or say munyami shraw say yehoa nkoso en shraw no mo ema de woni so ade hunu no ntumi amram say be the text message aba say beside the text message be the number na atudwa enti no wa person ofre no ubetumi afre na wa sheke lover nkran ana say bibi a wo ka kire no so no watumi aka kire no amafo ama top up say at least why are the money genuine Satanson and so am top up say be also be so born in some so ha che say amafo ani so far nyum mienu e dia ba e die akoma no kra na ti akoma no de e de ti akoma the full package de ne em say em say de besi and you know that for the for Gaspora TV you know mo so no programmer e friend okay. My producer say why hot. Or person dey full package no my intem kra why hot. You know, we dey prepare na for full package for my a program inspirational personalities abroad. You know so and I wa any kilova e di dwumai. Me abi di dwumadi on chia me e frame chairman Bozafo Bewa. Gaspora TV and I hwe no. We say there be 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock and you di dwuma no. Yeah, now most of the time, yeah, solution hour, and then the solution hour, no, we say from next year, the solution hour, no 1 hour pay. Near the our program, we show 1 hour, and so. That is I 2 hours. Into 2 hours now, we're spending can I spend one program, no? You see, we heard 2 programs. Sana yeah, from next year. And you see, the we know fra. So I pop him say, the December, no, ever query, then this year, no. The sign, I may have more. The program no brem 1 hour that dia brem ema aye kama send America kan any probably what talent e wo mu wa bushia na so oboafo ne bi kura ne nyesika sem ye akwankyere keke ene wo so obi de kire no ento so no obaye no onya obi a owo pepa se obekire wo onya obi owo pepa se obaboa onya obi owo pepa se obehye wunkura ya atma bebri no talent academy ye talent nko obi ho an adwuma the profession a oye oba abruchire ha kwa be no be fa so a obetimi akọ nanim e wo saa ne profession no mu obenyu so onya obi a at least obetimi agade wo a kire wa na mo a wo so wutuo so na be ya obetimi anya adwuma papa na ase adwuma na we ye ne Ghana obetimi a continue all these things no o de o problem a wo bia no Gaspora we are there to support you so obi aba homa no so ye ntie ne die ne ba bia o ka se free o mai pacha o die ne ba bia o ka se free
if I try from a set, like a successfully Belgium where Antioch.
Belgium Antioch, okay, set. Oh, so dear now.
But I me bomb me about but yes, Melina Yetuma, and not to some kind. In fact, or said I am the Nimon or Tatum. They will do that they are not turning. But then who say at the talent will more touching your big matonum. But I know one must say a name, we are not watching it anymore about one here. I could be a what from my United States, you know, the radiation. Ndi oya de. Ebe di makakra.
And this ati nyunu mi enu dia he no de je ho pa.
Enyo mo no.
Nyumi enu
O
dia.
de ba ko na ogona captain first one na afin ere ba no.
First one no.
Full package no.
Full package no. Wow, area full package no yo buta. Ya ba ko de on kan nyina bo full package. Hey, ma o ba ya du fruit. O ba ya du fruit o. Ya ba ko.
Ne ka full e de oye full package. I mean, na me tachi o that what I continue.
Mate. E be da e da wasi. Ye be hwe ani mo se full package be ba. Na ye be hwe de so. Am say the video ka ho ntino ye da set. Ya de wo so no Ukraine system a wo de amayen. Agwasi wo sampa wo am say amafo akaka am say obi o say gogo mensa minim so nim na gogo mensa. Oh, okay, on so on so o hwe yen. Yesi amafo eguso a omo ehwe o. So na maka no am say the number na tudwa di wa person ofre bia no enye wen wa obutumi afre na ato so no Ukraine system anase de o woka bia no so watumi aka ache akosi ama yakọ enim. Ye na producer for video no full package no bra na ye hwe before it's too late. Say emre no kwa na eko. Ye hwe full package no so de o mai.
Odona mi dogo obesi mae odo mi site masemwe enti Ethiopia sem odo mi sefanse wakoma crown eka esinkwa odo kam sinko nyina we eka de woni ntuma nkoa odo kada ye gora safo abaya sensia me odo mi site masemwe obi ba hu fedie odona mi dogo obesi mae odo mi site masemwe enti Ethiopia sem odo mi sefanse wakoma crown eka esinkwa odo kam sinko nyina we na me don na me don na me don na me don papa kwati nyamte awo frachuma na ebenyi papa kana samse osimi ba kwasi osuwanya bia somu ye wate efiso ba bia ye opa o emon kwati hwe de wokona biso hwo yiro ba yo ti so no afisu sapesa ye kesensoa penyifo so wo ye madufo chewa mi ba kwasi odon sufra ko mefuo gamba na me don From a good journey to you. And grandma will fear the one watching go rambo. Miss Middle from Nitia, Miss Warrior special. If it is Ruben Sipon, see Bebiara Bombe, see Bebiara Shishemo, we don't do a full loaded do. Although ye way, Miss Uja, me, I'm able to what it. Me breakfast. Me father neniatia, biso bi ani betu so aye. Me di wo ha ma me ya ha me de agosinka me dia pe mo preku me dofo a me ni wo ya me so ya original we nye ko fa be ni bia me dofo di o full package o odo ye we me suja me ya me bodam
For the other same. And I Gaspora TV and easy. And then easy. Full package the most Hakano Hano. Whether any be a free. Yet in na mamma. I can't mean no album the enemy and sending you full package. And then Asana Gaspora TV in Pono. Now I could tier program be an hour to put a full package. And I also know for the aircraft. Now, Kelova, the Mimi Sao, okay, be sir, confirm any. You confirm any now, person. What do you confirm any now, person?
I think says how do you say happen bra and you want me na me born on me came on. Obiti nyono say me di bia send am phone ti as a corons kakrabisa. Ti last week o anto inside ho na me ti say I guess to be omuka say ba ko ka kire ba ko say bra we na kan say nye kofa be ni bia. Iti na omuka say enye kofa be because enyomo no say me knew the entire we use a particular place no ka say kofa be ni because
I say modu kofa be ni area kofa be ni say
they tell me yes I don't say that lumba no we enyomo a what the bibi shem sa na enipa no person wo hu de o person o kire atiatia one say on say me maka kire me lifestyle say me ne na me ma me mo na atra ene mpanyifo bibi na atra nti imi hu ye say on say first no ye kasi asiwa yetimi yesi obi asiwa
yes
so e bia akora no usua ne bia yesi na asiwa ye kasi asiwa mpanyifo de mu nyina mo say enti bi akora no e bia obeba no akora ni sua so bi akora na first no say yesi na asiwa sa oba o papa ne be wara na usua papa na bia na tifin wanyini kakra chen enti papa no na e ba betete no am akora na nyini na bia waware no enti mimi de mimi mpese me kwa kofu bia ba betete no me do fundi we full package oba no ye di kan wanyini da why matured preko eno oba papa jo asi
no full package no ye say o de open ko fa open aben wa ha say in the way no aben wa ha no
that nobody o say
aben wa ha and all the any full package open ko fa be ni hey I don't before but you for you sample you was sample report you say you kwatwa hey full package. Your pack of here. I see.
There are times, you know, anybody be Juni say, maybe I may cast a baby or baby to say near the bed. Yes, I am the best of me. More baby enemy, or baby, your bonds out to you. They say, oh, baby, your bar, doing your beer so we. But me, the any patch is a full package. Maybe Minkurabrimon, Papa Matadi, Mamma, I mean, already made. What is shame? I'm
hey. Na video no so ha na video no ma
ba show Tiger Beat
na Tiger Beat there mo True Gaspora and a video bia message no just everything apart from so true you know the buy no the aka gina Tiger Beat and a ye wow ati for right for mo sempa o Tiger Beat and a ye bibia e ma yen e ma achese no ya bedru ba bia ya bedru anti say what talent no now office e wo tete now pese ye boa wa maya sonte ibehunu ko e be fa so a ye be de ye be boa se na ya boa menuan ama wadru ba bia wadru na omnyom no ball Lydia Frimpoma who is Lydia Frimpoma
me do for ba ko pa menenete me yire me si amenenete ono no aye wo chese o ma me nkranhye enwume be start nyina no all sometimes no empanyifo so nyinua nyina na ebo pam twene no
enye nua nyina na
ebo pam twene no
ebo pam twene
me asantini ti bi ka twi no na me ka me twi no me ka me di me ka si enye nua nyina ebo pam twene no ase che nye ma nyina na se bi ware wo ana nye meme nyina so na ye ware wo se de ye ka no oba bi wo a o ware na sebi wo ade no talent ni wo mu no pese wo ka she bet one on tisa ono na e push me even kura no che say ono menyu bebe ba me ye nyina wo ka hu ebi wo ha no ma me she ba bi e ya ade no o hweti wo ze e smart tv ya bi na wo hwe a bu se wo ye no afre bra ma hu sa ko bi tumi mam se wo ba good a che de wo yeah no ba ma ba me meti ya was okay you dey me ba no asset you say beat ni bi wo yesu was why ya no afbra manya beat bra betu nyum fam no was no asset the phone at all to nyum fam me to ache say just like that nya record that one ti nyum bebre na wo am wo dwumam no afre me manya beat bi anyum bi akwa bi to pa nya kura bra betu ya to ti bi ko ya na je bi bia de dana kwam ye
di afre poma na say wo ye kofa be ni ye di aka unya no sa oya full package ntina wo nya no sa no ache say odi akọ wanim no
say obia ne di we aso pentina China for ne dey tiles bia ba ye for ni porridge tiles na porridge tiles what you say porridge tiles no bitimi dey ato living what you say porridge tiles untin fan ko to kitchen man yi obia ne dey open
do dey open full package the full package no e dey tie for ne for ye sempa o nti wo ya yira na say wo kunu a na so abo wo kunu wa ba so udi okunu na so oyidi de woni mu no na so ahunu kun abefa so obetimi aboti bi eti no ama no so watimi akonanim awade de nka mehu ye nkasa oba ekonanim anu aboda ba so hukafo okọ because apese ye kese a ezo ye madu fochie nti ka okọ anaka so aboda ba so ama bibia akọ ese no okọ bonyimu ayi ode lidia prempom na mka to no kura na da ho an ye video na do no ye video no so no ono so no na lidia prempom hema ono ko video na no ode
say na me kan say nye nua na ebo pam twene no say because enipa no onim de wo ye no ena onim ba bia wo ya kudu ono o ka kire me say ade na wo ye no minim say wani je ho but ka hu say ade no wani je ho sometimes e bi mutimi frɛ negativities ene ade bi timi frɛ say ni ade bet ono de onke wo say wo ya ade na wo hu say wani je ho a wo person we mintimi ka enhye but you have to watch out say bi ade bi wo a konko money na ho de wo ene ono so wajimi di on the way MCT enti no bibi ebe bia nso wote ase on say o baby wo no obeka say na no obe David wo don tesa wo jump me bet me na wo say me very careful e wo de me ye but get am ni ye no bibi anim just video keke
so obabi o hono mo a obabi o hono mo a wo no o yesi no na afi no akire bewi ase no na afi wanim Ghana for ne ke kansem na say na hwe mo okunu ko yesi na yes mo ahun ko yesi na say na afi baba na ye ntokwa afi na ni je hu kura afi na ni hu bio afi nsem na afi no ama bibia aye basa ne ku lidia freepom as otemen na mishaw waya de so wabo okunu chi wabo na chi dom ama na bedu de wabeduri enu se nyame nkopon ebabo wabeto super guso ema na koduru de ni susuye bia ope bia no nyame bama na bam ema ososo no enmonyam no so ebia kan esi na ye bo udin waya de nya ma nya de betumi ayesa ukunu di hu adanse na benim Lydia me hu am be bisa o se ukunu so ye full package cause ukunu de betumi abato no so ye kofa be ni ye se ne ai gaspor ya kofa ye be ni ye ono de o fa ni ye ono de gaspor afo de kofa be ni ye na hu se ye nyame cha ai kelova am ye fin se ye o full package enti no ya Lydia nyame shraw nyame kan ho e kan ho mo ho ban ekwa nyina so mo akokoduro na padi ukunachi mo onyansa na padi ukunachi na da bia no se ne odi hu adanse no sa na wo so oba bia no ka odi ukunu e ho danse ukunu ye bibia na wo yiri ye bibia bona baso na so de obetimi dia ya aboa no bia wotimi dia ye de aboa no ema atimi aye kama full package am se no first one de me show producer sabo ba kuma me asana yakona first one de me say brutal sabo ba kuma me asana emre no aso we need Gaspora TV and our hwe no program e frɛ no inspirational personalities abroad inspirational person ba ko ene ye de na ba no before January no ye de ba ko na amienu enso ebeba So we are inspirational person, as a only inspirational figure be our community and as our country our my asonte na yehunu yene na ntwetwe nkomo na yehunu kwa ya fa so a oduru de waduru no na timi a motivate obi otimi aye role model meka na sa ama obi na obi ahwe no so asua na mo no so e de akonanim na aye inshira ama woni onipa ne nyina yeno na yehwehwe yeno na yete ha ene ama benue wabe inspirational figure ewo Antwerp ha Belgium ha enyuma wo bono na enyuma wache no enya asem ketwa enyim se enya mebeto nsu pagu so ama no akonanim akodu achi da da bi no de ya da sidie so o shase free here o so shase free Gaspora TV and yes shase ya peja no awaduru ba bia waduru no nti no inspirational personalities abroad no e bota ya de ya program no enye enyom nko a even the professional wo bia no office obi o yes special thing or yes special figure obi o ye bibia ye extraordinary bia no officer we or ya de na o ye extraordinary no my asonte na ene no ye ni na di enkyere Ghana for na say come to Nigeria ni kura no a okabrofo nko ari ye na be ye program no enya problem we shouldn't be only Ghanaians nko a we Nigeria for we list so mu nyina peso mu pa nti me mu Ghana for mo Nigeria for me gem fansa na mo aka kire me say na Ghana for na ha ase na na de ha ba bi odi akodru no it's open for everybody to far say mitimi brofo kakra mitimi ka bi ne de wo ba na aka pidgin Nigeria for makache wo ka pidgin English kra me no beka me ne problem o mo so de o mo ye bibia they are serious this year Ghana for na aso ya so onye no o mo they are serious Cameroon for any upgrade in the India they want to take this opportunity it may be more Ghana for answer Mr. Mo and Amakano wow officer wo inspirational figure be wow to officer we inspirational personal officer the wo ye no e betimi inspire amanfo a my asonte aya we tu ho ache wo community mu a watimi ayesi we dey we feel say the my community no I can only go and say it to inspire the others you know so we dey only midi hu nkomo me feel say qualifier me no ba yan hihye ye ne hu nko ya be fa so a e be yi we hihye they are promote you on obi nto ahwe so asua eti minu ya me pa cho producer my last music no answer now you know the last year I passed and
Yes, man.
No more to do money.
Sheriff get that once again. See me now. Friends today, enemies tomorrow. They find yanky, they be having to me war. I don't want no friend who will reach me there.
Friends today, enemies tomorrow. Friends today, enemies tomorrow. Friends today, enemies tomorrow.
They are acting like lovers, say, but they are enemies. They are acting like lovers, say, they are hypocrites and parasites. They are acting like lovers, say, but they are all enemies. They are acting like lovers, say, they are enemies in progress.
Friends today, enemies tomorrow. Friends today, enemies tomorrow.
Now where is the truth? There is no truth in this world. There is no love in this world. There is no peace in this generation. There is no justice, freedom and equality. Eh. I'm instrumental to your success. But today, I am the victim. But today, I am the enemy. Eh. Sometimes your best friend can be your worst enemy. And your worst enemy can be your best friend. Eh.
Friends today, enemies tomorrow. Friends today, enemies tomorrow. Friends today, enemies tomorrow. Friends today.
Remember how can a Toma Comaso say I am instrumental to your success. I am instrumental to your success. If you hear the basimu,
Once some a
Akasa no caucus, and I only mean one.
me meaning ko actually papa biasa say mo age no. But my dad you know who say sometimes you know you see the usu obi ko ho e ko hwe nkwan ensu bi nko ensu ni ko hwe ewu sometimes obi ho no mo abebo no better at the end of the day nbi say na dan ntokwa na dan problems ibi okra wo yi waye na o can different story about you and I will share the ekoso even internet so ko Facebook no mo na say amu ntokwa ekoso unu wadamfo betimi adim komo kama mu but the moment I'm on tempted to say the only kind na about
So go anymore.
oh go and was just like that you know and the man me fast so ekeka nyama boom a between years I
Now, cars, I was instrumental
yeah
to the success.
instrumental because sometimes it has happened also to me as well and you know I'm say penny for be sikwa
Okay.
oh dear here
That is good.
you know and the man me so meet ka nyama boom am tv nyama no be bre on why
Oh, yeah, dear, what to Belgium for, what you top for, and what to a bush for, and so you know,
patch why
only know me know how. Okay. Why are there what you mean any Omudia dear me, I'm a computer or her, and I want only aboarding. Me am a bone with the Marco coat. I'm a body of Susu. Me am a Susu. Oh, ha. You say your chance aboard the interest no, a beginning, aboard the to the other day, the Baba, Julia, Nabotre, and aboarding, also a Baba. Why are there? A dear now war Emblem in Tino, Mr. Brenner song, a dear now walk a chair with tea for no I have 4. A dear in crash Ben at the moment, promise Ben at the moment, say, when you're back up and out Tina, because we'll be called through Bibi by say, Quabos, and so a canyon, no lunch back up and off a yantin and cabu. That's an inum no such a number for any hope, but just a yantin and cabu, until you hope, say, would also may a back up, now if you know what you had enough here, Pewa, you yantin cabu, intino. A dear now walk catch the 4. I have a program, you know, more 80 or Sino Musube Yahu, Tomo. I want to be a Rishimu, say, Udumba Quetri, and Yadia over Bacope, Nawajai Amanaka, and Tino. The workers room no mutio.
the Oma comments I'm say Quabos every year na 77
Casa no Costa.
Oma comments say Quabos baby be no to die and one summer be no dear Miss McCatcher and say Impenyu Fossy in Nipanama Pimo ubi any muku ubi any nim dear ubi and baby oposo udru. Many a human my yeg horn I think say producer him and you ma may na yabako him because my year and you won't be by a day out now. Me kwami ntumi yet because anyum to no it is waso kane another kwhye sebi and pass ya nhira na obi ehu me kwami ntumi yet e na betunu su performance na wo koso obi enu obetimi afa no wasi akonkon enipa ya na ebebo because yesu ba asase so no enipa no fro na mo abra be ka me ho enipa na yedi ya de enti me sre matifo ene me fans nyina say mon support na menwum no so mon like e o Facebook na monko YouTube so nkonko share me nwom no ne ade na nwom no ye woni ma papa bebri a ye de ba out a utimi se ebeye uja nkasa se de mpanyufo no mo ye no o hwe the likes of Daddy Lumba mon na champom the way I know me see ye na no abi na isi e ba be enti no mo hope best for me na ye mo nyankopon pa so man consider bi anto ye kwam ye ba be ye amana ye uja ankasa me da wase ene Minuanum so am support me, especially my wife, my one and only Lydia from Poma, I was supporting me. BBM Manamuntum, sometimes a baby walk around over studio about a young crossy, Cocota de Brem, where they want to say, who say, Tama, so was me Baba Yuma was a cock. Meda Menam for force or more supporting me, Mema, me, Papa, they were free. Meda Chairman Bewu, so any tiger, so I say, almost Mamma Conya, to see Miss Metias here, Meso. Which me yen yomo de medru ti meda wo nyina ase nti wo pese unya saa nwomo ye boye bia obaga Gasworth TV abenya bi anaso ko K-Lava music obo full package na abenya bi uko Facebook so akwasi K-Lava eno so obetimi enya nwomo bi wo hon meda masi bebre ye woni ma papa de mam Gasworth TV any K-Lava music meda masi.
Yes, yeah, that was it. Mr. Coulson, you are welcome to the program. I'm saying, oh hey, from America. Ya wa akwaba eba Gasworth TV so ya da wase so wani ejeje sa inspirational personality program no so ya do baba so then you say you qualify already so ye do baba so ye no aye program no na amafo hu de e wo mu na so ayi a kire na dan kwa ma bi do ni ho no mu a wanya nsiana mu ye no ntini ye sa program no se na be ya ye wo mu no umfiri hoko no a obi nso atimi ye de atraso obi atimi e de abehye wanan na aye generation to generation ye no ntini ye sa program inspirational personalities abroad Ghana for one kan wo mu fo mu ade ye na e wa kwantu mu abrochiri ha nyina America Dubai hwan atina you use the word abroad no is a abroad wa wo be bia kwantufo no na ye bo mu kwantufo no na ye hwe ye yi o mu akire o mu so enya inspiration na ase o mu nya role models na o mu so no esi tu anhim na makomaseman ye kese o mu so tu free mu a na obi so atumi abehiem ama ayekama ye nu akwabra bo aten so frɛ ye also the baby abeto so from America from Brussels says awesome inspirational program. Or say this program is a motivation to the youth. Be focused and determined. They are all canon say inspiration to the youth, you know. Say over your focus, no way determined. Na once so haya na abakoso akawani. Minu anu ma moti me na mo amoheme. Or say mo call YouTube and Facebook mo subscribe na mo share. Yem say ye nyisika ye no na obetimi dia ye ama menu na timi akọ na nim no aye na mo. So nyesika na ade bre no a o de subscribe na also share program no so na be ya e be kwa akiri na you know so do that no so no and you build me nya sempo na ta ko bi dia film dia tua ne boss e wotimi aye foforo ama also so wani ade na aye ni monyam hye ama especially ye ne aye wo Belgium ha nyina ubete Ghana ba bia na da say Belgium ni bi nyum bia watwa Belgium bi ni bi nyum bia watwa afi o na ba bi na so so ye Belgium ni a ye bi nso no e be so nti ye nyina aye moa wonsomo eni nipa ama ye nua no intimi enko nanim na nhira bi ba ye nyina no yetimi eso ebi aso yeso ya men kam ho onhira mo nyina next week topic no by Wednesday here the auto board na obi anto so ehunu de ekoso next week ntino ya men kan ho next week Sunday the same time the same hour Diaspora TV say topic no e be solution hour topic nti ye de beto so na mo nyina mo hunu na mo aba me nyina ya bobo hu be hunu solution ye befa ye da mo nyina mo ase bi Diaspora TV anamo ane K-Lover ane me crew Gap Tiger and others anamo ye da mo nyina mo ase se mo ne ya be di dwuma no na ma dwumadie no aye kama aye kama ye nyina ye ne age ye nyina ye mfa mpaebo entare K-Lover echi na the die so no intimi emrem okom ko to dwa no so a na mo akwai Diaspora TV crew no Chama bo safubawa Tiger Beat and the crew na yeso so no onyame de ode ato yakoma so no yesu yentimi nye enso mo nipa sane ya minu e kan se yenso ni nipa na yesu ye nyina no yentimi enko yanim na de wobota bia wa abrochi ha no de what talent bi odi free Ghana baaye de ye wo na ha what talent ye nyina ye moa yenso ni yentimi moa na mo bia ni so ade hinu obi yoni ya ade so ade hunu yentimi emram e de mo nyina ase nyame ya adoma yesu ye besa ehia sene me kan no K-Lover anyum no mo ko YouTube Facebook mo subscribe na mo share e ma mo nuanu mo ya nyum no entimi enko akiri da amotivate no ama watimi aye no mo for more for K-Lover tede mo nyina wase amishama
Odo na mi dogo obesi mae odo mi site masemwe enti obia sem odo mi sefansem wakoma crown eka esinkwa odo kam sinko nyina wuwe eka de woni ntuma nkoa odo kada ye gora samfo abaya sensia me odo mi site masemwe obi ba hu fedie odo na mi dogo obesi mae odo mi site masemwe enti obia sem odo mi sem fanse wakoma crown eka esinkwa Oh, don't come sing, go, you know, wait. Papa, I will scratch your money, baby. Papa, can I some say, or see me back, or so when you be a so you want it. If it's so baby, I am power. Among what things shall you walk on, it's all sure you're all by your disorder. I feel to suppress a cassua, when you force what you might do for chair. Why? Me back was ye, all down through fraggle. From a good journey to you. A grandma will fear. The one watching go rambo. Miss Middle from Nitia. Miss Warrior special. If it is Ruben Sipon, you see, baby, I want me. See, baby, I should share home. We don't do a full load and do. Although you way, Miss Uja, me, I'm able to want it. Medi wo ha me ha me de agwasinka medi apemo preku me dofo a meni wo ya me so your original we nye kofa be ye ni bia me dofo de o ifu package o odo ye we me suja me am e bodam